Now as you can see, we have our text up here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come to our text. What we're going to do is we have it selected here. Let's go ahead and, you know what, let's add some color to this. So we're going to hit X to bring our white color forward in our palette over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to just hit Alt-Delete and fill this with white. There we go. Let's go Command-Deselect, Lex, so. And let's blur this a bit. Let's go to Filter, Blur. Let's just go out and blur this a bit. Maybe not so much. Take it down just a wee bit. Hit OK. That looks pretty good. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and save this part right here because this is going to end up being a displacement map later. So let's just save this as black and white. There we go. Hit OK. There we go. And what we're going to do is, since we've made our displacement map, let's pause here and we'll pick this up in the next part.